Hello guys, today we learn how to create first project in ASP.NET Core with the help of Visual Studio 2022. For this we have required Visual Studio 2022. Now let us see. If you have installed .NET Desktop Development already with Visual Studio 2022, and now I need to also install ASP.NET Web Development. So open Visual Studio 2022 and check ASP.NET and Web Development and click the Modify the Visual Studio 2022 and it will be installed. It will take some time to install this ASP.NET Web Development. Now you can see I have installed .NET Desktop applications. So now need to check ASP.NET Web Applications. You can see here the framework and ASP.NET 4.7 framework 2 and different components will be installed. Open Visual 2022, continue without code and go to File, New Project. Then here you can see like C sharp when C sharp selected Windows then Web. Then after that we need to select like ASP.NET Core Web Razor Pages. So we need to choose here where is it ASP.NET Core Web Razor Pages for web development. So check this one and uh, click on next button. So after that here you can see web project name is web applications and location this one and solution name that web application 3. Now click on next button. So here you can see I have selected ASP.NET Core web page means Razor pages and now need to click on create. After clicking the create button here you can see a pop-up window will be appear and Microsoft Visual Studio creating a project will be running. After some time it will create a solution project. So here now you can see web application 3 will be created and after that connection services and one folder dependencies. In dependencies you can see this one analyzer and framework. In properties here you can see .json and www root. I can see a CSS, JSN library and there is one icon favicon.ico and there is pages like shared, view HTML. Now see index pages. Index.html created and also one.cs file also will be here. When you click double click here you can see like web application 3 pages and there is index model and page model and index model and there is one function like on get. When you will check index.html so here you can see view data title page home page and there is one div like class say text center welcome to our first .NET core application and here you can see one it's like building web with ASP.NET core. Now run this through this one. After running this application, it will ask for the SSL certificate. You can choose yes or no. I am choosing no. So it will show the warning like potential security risks ahead, and you can choose advanced, then accept the risks and continue. So here you can see welcome to our first .NET Core application. There is home page and there is privacy page you can see here. So that's way we can create the ASP.NET Core applications in the Visual Studio 2022. And here also you can see overview of the applications, like it will create many folders. And one thing more here, when you create a pages in index.chtml, so there is also .cs page will be created. Now let us now create one page and check, like right click on this and add new item, Razor pages. Click on this, and here you can see MVC Razor pages and click Razor page empty and click on it. Now you can put the page like index.1html, so contact us.chtml and click on it. So whenever I am creating a page, Razor pages contact us.html, you can see blank page. And also there is one .cs page will be created, you can see here on gets. So that's it. Now you were able to create a ASP.NET Core application in 2022. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.